showbiz and some more great shows and songs by the Rock-afire explosion. And as y'all are probably aware, if you come in here very often, we always try and put our shows together with a theme. We do the magic shows, and so we had the magic theme, and we've done trivia shows with trivia theme, and old senior citizens and 50s and stuff. And well, today it's Beach Bear's turn to decide what our theme is. So let's call him out here and find out what great theme Beach Bear has chosen for us today for the Rock-afire explosion to sing songs about. Howdy, everybody.
How you doing, Bob?
Hey, it's great to see y'all again. Hey, Beach Bear, how you doing?
Oh, I'm just dandy.
Okay, Beach Bear, why don't you just tell this anxious audience here, what is today's theme?
No theme, Billy Bob.
Huh? No theme?
No theme.
No theme?
No theme.
No theme.
Wait a minute, you gotta have a theme, right? You know, we gotta...
Yeah,
That's right. You can't do this.
Themes are
This is
great.
outrage. You're supposed to do the
Kind of
theme.
second-rate
You
show
gotta
you're trying to
have-
put
I
together
understand
here.
it, so you gotta have the theme really quick.
Close the curtains.
The manager asked me to keep this dialogue down to a minute and a half.
Well, I don't care. We're gonna have a theme first,
right.
Buster Brown.
Hold it, everybody. I am the official timekeeper here, and we have another 10 seconds to,
To work him over about not having a theme.
Up
All
here.
right.
I ain't gonna play unless we got a theme, right?
8, 7,
You better
6.
come up with a theme before you reach
I wanna
1.
know.
4, 3, have an 800 pound
2,
gorilla sitting on you.
0. Up. Play music.
Notice the fire in your eyes, or the beat or direction of impending goodbye. I'm falling, I'm folding, I'm wilted in place. At the sight of you standing, the streaks down your face. Got your heart broke, you're running from the reason with your heart broke. And don't give up on believing in me. Heart broke, you kept me from leaving with my heart broke. Well, cry when your reaches are full and you're lonely. Sheer madness prevails upon reason too. But all is not lost, it is only mistaken. A small consolation, but I know just how to do. Got your heart broke, you're running from the reason with your heart broke. Don't give up on believing in it. Heart broke, you kept me from leaving with my heart broke. You kept me from leaving with my heart broke. That's your heart broke. That's your heart broke. Champagne money is love. Money's gone, stick out my thumb. I feel with bitter tears. Lord, ain't been home in years. Got the highway for the blues.
And welcome back to the show here at ShowBiz Pizza Place. Now, it's been said that we here at ShowBiz are known for going the extra mile in terms of bringing you, the customer, quality entertainment while you're feasting yourselves on assorted delicious culinary delights.
What you talking about, Billy Bob?
Fats, I believe Billy Bob's trying to say that the management pays us to bang out a few songs while the folks out there shovels pizza down their throats.
Bang out song. Who's banging out song?
Well, actually, I think they had gorilla fingers in mind when they were talking about banging.
I don't bang. I've had 4 years of music college.
Well, you sound like bang, 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 bang. But, I mean, you know,
Let me tell you what, every song you play sounds the same to me. Bang, 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 bang.
Oh, hey,
Bang, bang, bang,
Hey,
bang.
Bats, Beach Bad, let's be nice and quit cutting each other down. That's not nice.
Well, I've been meaning to tell you something, Duke. All you do is sit back there and bash, bang, bang, bang on the drums all the time.
Oh, yeah?
It's hurting my ear.
Oh, yeah?
I can't hardly
Well,
stand
you know
it.
what? I never can't even hear myself sing with all you guys banging out there.
Oh, yeah? Or at least I don't sound like Mickey Mouse with a sore throat.
Yeah, miss, every time I hear you sing over here, it sounds like...
Okay, time out, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, while our musicians on stage here practice professional courtesy, I'd like to suggest maybe that we do a country song, to sort of liven things up. Is that okay with you guys?
I don't know.
If pardon
Well,
my
maybe.
Hey, well,
singing.
that's terrific. Everybody's really thrilled about that idea. Let's do a song to show what our friendship means. Looney Bird, what's the next song on the list?
Just a minute, I'll get it. Here it is. It's called Going Downhill.
It all started at the corner table, sipping on the Jack and Coke. By the end of the evening, we were acting like married folk. Weekend me and took me of my wheel. You got me going downhill. Still I can't get my fill of you. I've spent all my money. I've lost my respect. You got to walk in circles, honey. I'm a nervous wreck. One step ahead of the welfare dollar bill. You got me going downhill, going downhill. Yeah, You got me going downhill. Going downhill. Yes, but still I can't get my fill of you. I can't eat, I can't sleep, I think about you from daylight till dawn. Babe, I won't weigh 15 pounds when you drag my body home. Like a junkie hooked on dope, I'm hooked on your thrill. You got me going downhill. Going downhill. Yeah, still I can't get my fill of you. Going downhill. I'm going downhill. Yes, still I can't get my fill of you. Oh, darling. Yes, still I can't get my fill of you.
Maybe I'm crazy, I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't, but I want you so. How can it be wrong? It feels so right in the middle of the night. Maybe I'm playing the fool again. After jumping down, I'm jumping right back in. How can it be wrong if it feels so right in the middle of the night? Oh, my head keeps telling me you ought to leave the girl alone. But my heart won't let it be. I wanna take you home. Maybe I'm crazy, I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't, but I want you so. How can it be wrong if it feels so right in the middle of the night? How can it be wrong if it feels so right in the middle of the night? Maybe I'm wrong, I've been wrong before. Maybe I shouldn't be here at your door. How can it be wrong if it feels so right in the middle of the night? Maybe I'm playing the fool again. After jumping out, I'm jumping right back in. How can it be wrong if it feels so right in the middle of the night? Oh, my head keeps telling me you ought to leave the girl alone. But my heart won't let it be. I wanna take you home. Maybe I'm crazy, I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't, but I want you so. How can it be wrong if it feels so right in the middle of the night? How can it be wrong if it feels so right in the middle of the night?
Welcome back to the show, everybody. I'm Billy Bob, and I got my friend Looney Bird here, and well, I got kind of an embarrassing message I have to give y'all. You see, the manager kind of wants us to keep our dialogue down to a minute and a half before we play songs. It seems like people would rather us play more music and do less talking. Right, Looney?
Yeah, I can't understand why. I mean, I've got this incredible show I do called Letters to Looney Bird, but it takes 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and I can't even do one.
Yeah, I guess we'll have to do one later when people start complaining about not getting enough good skits in because we're not getting to do enough. But anyway, that's what the manager says, so we got to keep it down to a minute and a half. And, well, how much time we used up? Anybody over there know?
About 30 seconds.
Not a lot.
Not a lot? Okay. Well,
I thought it was more like 35 seconds.
does anybody have any concepts for
I think we're
a skit?
closer to 40 now.
Okay, 40 seconds. We got about like a minute, less than a minute left to do a skit. Who's got an idea for a skit we can do in...
Well, I got a joke, but it takes about a minute and 45 seconds.
We can't do it because I think we're down to the minute mark right now.
Uh-oh,
Well,
okay, who's got something we can do like in...
well, oh, I know this little, I can't play that either. 'cause
Oh,
it's
I
a
know
song.
a joke. I can tell a good joke in only 30 seconds.
Oh, I think we're about out now.
Well,
I already know. I still said we got 30 seconds left. Can you tell it?
do I have enough time to introduce the song?
No.
If you make it quick.
Okay, this is called The Ride, and it's being sung by Beach Bear.
I was thrown from the gun. To my back. When a stranger stepped beside me. He was dressed like the 1915, half drunk and hollow-eyed. He says, "I walk to Nashville with a ride." I sat down in the front seat and turned on the radio, and them sad old songs coming out of those speakers was solid country gold. And then I noticed a stranger's ghost went pale when they asked me for a light. I knew there was something really fucking weird about this one. He said, "Mr. Kid, folks cry when you play the same. Have you paid your dues? Know your blues? Can you play the guitar strings? Mr. Can you make folks feel what you feel inside? Give me a big dog down, let me take it along, how And then he cried just south of Nashville and he turned that car around. He said, "This is where you get off. Go back down." So I stepped out and came back. I said, "Mister, many thanks." He said, "You ain't gonna call me Mr. Sucker. The whole world call me Harry. Mister, can you make folks cry when you play and sing? Can you sing the blues, the morning blues, and then guitar strings? Just feel what you feel inside. If you're big southbound, let me warn you, it's a long, hard ride. If you're big starbound, let me warn you, it's a long, hard ride." There's a lot of competition out there these days, you know. I mean, you got Billy Bob, Beach Bear, Fats, Bits. You even got Rock-afire.
And now I believe Duke and Mitzi are going to do a little duet for us. Is that right, Mitzi?
Yeah, Billy Bob. We're gonna sing a song called Islands in the Stream. And it's about two people that are really in love and junk like that. Right, Duke?
Yeah. It's about, like these two people. They fall in love so much and that they become like islands in a stream.
Well, what's that supposed to mean?
Hey, you know, it's like I said, this guy and this girl, they fall in love and they become like islands in the stream. You know, like islands in the stream.
Yeah, I heard that, but what does it mean?
I think that it means like it's like kind of like islands in the stream. You know what I mean?
Yeah, in the stream. Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
exactly. Okay.
I guess that clears that up, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, now can we sing the song?
Yeah, I just love it.
Baby, when I met you, there was peace and I set out to find you with a fine-tooth comb. I was walking the night, there was something going on. But you did something to me that I can't explain. London's and home and I feel no pain now. Leave my heart, there's something going on. Tender love is mine, it requires a dedication. No, love needs no complication. Rely on each other, making love with each other. Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we'll rely on each other. From one lover to another. I was walking the night, there was something going on. But you did something to me that I can't explain. And I feel no pain in the feeling of my heart. There is something going on. Tender love is mine. It requires a dedication. Think of us repeating tonight with each other. Making love with each other. Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we'll rely on each other. From one lover to another. Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we'll rely on each other. From one lover to another.
And now it's time for Letters to Looney Bird, an inquisitive look at issues of our time. Concepts, ideas, and problems of vital concern to us all will be explored in today's program.
Okay, Looney Bird, who's the first letter from?
An embalming look at the forces of good and evil.
Okay, Looney Bird, who's the first letter from?
Exploring the facts of the universe, I, Looney Bird, will bring truth, Justice!
Okay, Looney Bird. Be careful not to use up all your time.
Oh, yeah, okay. Our letter today comes to us from Gerd Langstrom of Peoria, South Poughkeepsie, who writes, Dear Looney Bird, I'm fighting mad about the new rule at ShowBiz Pizza Place that you characters have to keep your skits down to 1.5 minutes. I've always enjoyed following the antics of Rolf and Earl in the Rock-afire explosion. Yeah, Gerd, we're with you. And he continues, In my opinion, if anything should be cut from the show, it should be the letters to Looney... well, that's all the time we have today on the show, so moving right along, tune in again next week for another incredible segment of Letters to Looney Bird. Back to you, Billy Bob.
Okay, thanks, Looney Bird. Good job. Okay, Looney Bird, now that you've been handling the issues of our time, how about handling some harmonies with me on a Ricky Skaggs song?
I wouldn't change a single thing about you if I could. Where you are just suits me to a T. A princess and a storybook, a king upon his throne. That's what we are, and you belong to me. I wouldn't change you if I could. I love you as you are. You're all that I would wish for if I wished upon a star. An angel sent from heaven. You're everything that's good. You're perfect just the way you are. Wouldn't change you if I could. Your eyes, your lips, your tender smile, I'd leave them as they are. And come what may, it doesn't mean a thing. And if I were a potter and you a piece of clay, the only thing I'd change would be your name. I wouldn't change you if I could. I love you as you are. You're all that I would wish for if I wished upon a star. An angel sent from heaven. You're everything that's good. You're perfect just the way you are. Wouldn't change you if I could. Perfect just the way you are. I wouldn't change you if I could. One. Two. Three. Four. Houston means come one day closer to you. Honey, Houston. Houston means the last day of the tour.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you probably have figured out by now, today's show has absolutely no theme. And this is partly due, well, to Beach Bear, who was supposed to come up with a theme for today and has just neglected it. And so we have no theme. So, if anybody has any good ideas or suggestions for today's show, would you please let the manager know? Until then, though, we will be playing some country songs until somebody comes up with a good theme idea like Beach Bear should have. Now to sing this song is No Theme Beach Bear with Fats helping out. It's called We Didn't See a Theme. Come on, Duke, count off.
7, 2, 6, 9, 5, 1.
I swear I didn't see you with your wife's best girlfriend, drinking beer and dancing to that Western swing. And I didn't see you kiss you, leave that boy with her. No, I didn't see you, I didn't see a thing. Well, I swear I didn't see you tell that blonde that you weren't married. No, I didn't hold and hide your wedding ring either. No, I didn't hear you call the wife that was working. No, I didn't see you. No, I didn't see a thing. We got to stick together and keep our story straight. I was in Atlanta and I was working late. Oh, you know it's always good to see you. Oh, hell, it's good to see you too. But I didn't see you. I didn't see a thing. Guitar solo. see you. Didn't see a thing. Oh, we got to stick together and keep our story straight. I was in Atlanta, yeah. I was working late. You know it's always good to see you. It's good to see you too, yeah. But I didn't see you. I didn't see a thing. No, I didn't see you. No, I didn't see a thing. Well, we're big rock singers, we got toes and fingers, and we're loved everywhere we go. We sing about beauty and we sing about truth at $10,000 a show. We take all kinds of pills and get all kinds of thrills, but the thrill we never know is a thrill that'll get you when you get your picture on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Rolling Stones, see my picture on the cover. Stone, gonna buy 5 copies for my mother. Stone, see my smiling face on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Got a freaky old lady named Cocaine Lady, embroideries on my jeans. My poor old gray-haired daddy, yeah, driving my limousine. It's all designed to blow my mind, but my mind won't really be blown. With a thrill that'll get you, that'll get your picture on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Rolling Stone, see my picture on the cover. Stone, Rolling Stone, see my smiling face on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Okay, guitar. Good rock singers, we got toes and fingers, and we're loved everywhere we go. We sing about beauty and we sing about truth at $10,000 a show. We get all kinds of pills, we get all kinds of pills. The thrill we never know. There's a thing that'll get you when you get your picture on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Rolling Stone, see my picture on the cover. Rolling Stone, see my smiling face on the cover of the Rolling Stone. On the cover of the Rolling Stone, see my picture on the cover. Stone.
Yeah, boy meets girl.
Boy meets girl, girl meets boy.
Yeah.
Not specific enough.
Let me see.
What about lady songs and stuff like that?
Yeah.
What about ladies?
Songs with the lady in the title.
Yeah,
Not specific.
How
No.
about fun songs?
Shut up, Ross.
No, they ain't.
Let me see. Songs about songs for beer drinkers.
How about songs about the winter
How
time?
about songs about different cities and stuff?
How about
Ooh,
fun
yeah, that's a good one.
songs?
Ross, shut up.
That's a good city
about-
song. I like that idea.
Songs about
City
stuff.
songs.
Songs that
songs
people
from
sing.
musicals.
Songs about
about
fun and stuff like that.
Stuff
How
from
about
maybe
songs
Wait a
about
minute,
highway
Rolf,
songs.
what'd you just say?
Oh, you're gonna make fun of me again. You guys leave me alone.
No,
I'm-
no, everybody,
Hey, hold
leave him
on.
alone
Rolf
now.
said something.
Hold on. What did you say?
I said leave me alone. Y'all are picking on
No,
me.
what was your idea?
I just said maybe we could do some fun songs.
That's not such a bad idea.
that's not bad.
Exactly what we do.
Yeah.
Great
Yeah.
idea.
You really think so?
All right, let's
Yeah,
give Rolf a
that's
big
fun.
round of applause, everybody.
my-
He thought of the theme for today's
Can't
show.
believe
Fun songs, yes. I
Yeah.
thought of that myself. I was standing back here listening to all you idiots, and I said, fun songs. I tried to say it, and you said, no. But yes, fun songs. I can't think of any, though.
What
I know
happened?
one.
Well, yeah, well,
I know
everybody
the
has
perfect
fun.
song.
Well, okay, Mitzi, I tell you what. Let's do one then.
Yes, fun songs about Q-tips.
Well, everybody, we're sort of still looking for a theme for the show. We've kind of given Beach Bear a hard time about the fact that we don't have a theme for the show. It was his responsibility, to come up with one. And
So?
Yeah.
well, Beach Bear, I'm not getting down on you or anything. I really kind of feel sorry for you. So I tell you what. You don't care. Well, I tell you what, everybody. What do you think? Let's do another country song, and while we're doing it, everybody think real hard for a theme for this show, and let's see if we can come up with one. Does that sound okay with you?
Yeah, that
Yeah.
sounds good. I
Sounds
think
great.
We need something. I'm embarrassed up
I mean,
here.
just anything. I mean, we'll even invite Rolf and Earl to join us in thinking about some theme. Okay,
All right.
so Fats, what you gonna sing? We need a country song to fill the time.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna sing.
Waylon Jennings.
That Wailing tune about being used and.
Oh, I ain't used up, baby.
That's the one.
Well, now, baby, you're a looker, and I know what you're looking for. You've been looking over every man has a fall. And honey, I know I
I've got a few years on you. But if you shop it around, let me tell you a thing or two. Yeah. Well, I look a little rough and I got a few miles on me. My body needs work, my style ain't what it used to be. Honey, I'd admit the place where I'm wearing thin. But I ain't broke down, I'm just as good as gold again. Well, maybe it won't, baby, I ain't wore out. Let me take you for a ride, let me show you what I'm talking about. I guarantee there's a lot of me left to love. Well, maybe you, baby, ain't you, no. Well, I've been wrecked a few times, and maybe it's yours, I guess. There's been once or twice, say that I've been repossessed. But there's one little thing that I think we ought to get understood. It ain't how you look, it's what you got under your hood. Maybe it won't, maybe I ain't wore out. Let me take you for a ride, let me show you what I'm talking about. Well, I guarantee there's a lot of people that love. Well, maybe you, baby, I ain't you, no. Well, maybe you won't, baby, I ain't wore out. Let me take you for a ride, let me show you what I'm talking about. Well, I guarantee there's a lot of me left to love. Well, maybe